I'm Max Taylor, and today I'm going to be reading my book called The Cell Express. Justin and his grandfather are excited to go on a trip from their hometown to Dallas, Texas. They are going to fly out of the airport and have a great time visiting all of the sights in Dallas. When Justin woke up on Friday, there was some terrible news. A computer virus took down all of the airplanes. Their flight to Dallas was canceled. "What are we gonna do?" said Justin. "I have a great idea," said Grandpa. "We are going to go to my old job." "You mean we're going to the biology lab?" said Justin. "No, my job before that. We're going to go to the train station." "What would you be doing if you were in school today, Justin?" asked Grandpa. "We'd be learning about the parts of the animal cell," Justin said. "Maybe we can learn about that today, too," Grandpa said. "Parts of the train station work together just like the parts of the cell. That is the roundhouse," said Grandpa. "It is like the nucleus, which is the control center of the train station. It is the place where you change routes and make plans." "Who is that?" asked Justin. "That man has a work shed in the roundhouse. He makes new trains. He is like the nucleolus," said Grandpa. "Justin, do you see that fence around the train station? It surrounds the station and controls what comes in and out like the cell membrane," said Grandpa. "Does everything in this train station have a purpose, even the sidewalk?" asked Justin. "Of course. This sidewalk is a smooth way to transport things throughout the station. It is like the smooth endoplasmic reticulum," said Grandpa. "The train tracks and the sidewalk are very similar. The train tracks are a little rougher and transport the trains for us, like the rough endoplasmic reticulum," Grandpa noted. "Wow, Grandpa, that building is so interesting," said Justin. "It is the engine room, the powerhouse of the station, like the mitochondria. Is where trains get their power," said Grandpa. "Even the gravel rocks around the train yard matter. They make a safe atmosphere for the station, like the cytoplasm in a cell," Grandpa shared. "It looks busy over there," said Justin. "That is the warehouse. It creates and manages packages like the Golgi apparatus," Grandpa said. "I know what that does," said Justin. "It is the tank. It stores liquids for the trains and train stations to use. I bet it is like the vacuole of a cell." "That is a restaurant," said Justin. "It provides food and nourishment like how the lysosome helps with digestion in the cell." Grandpa said, "The utility poles over there create the structure for the station, and the forklift provides the poles. This is like the centrioles and microtubules in the cell. The flagpole outside the station is important too. See its majestic movement in the wind? It reminds me of the flagella of the cell," said Grandpa. "And there's our train," said Grandpa. "The trains are a very important part of travel. The instructions for travel are read, and a string of train cars can make a unique sequence, just like the ribosomes in a cell. It's time to board." Wow, it's crazy how all the parts work together to make this system successful. "So here are the animal cell parts: the cell membrane, the ribosome, mitochondria, nucleolus and nucleus, vacuole, rough ER, smooth ER, lysosome, centriole, microtubule, Golgi apparatus, cytoplasm, and flagella." About the author. Max Taylor is from Scottsdale and is the only native Arizonan in his family. Max likes World War II documentaries, chess, and Smash Bros. You can usually find him on a minimum of 3 devices at once. When he graduates, he hopes to be a statistician or historian. Thank you.